If you could see behind these walls, you would see a maze of electrical wires and junction boxes, all leading to outlets and switches. Hi, I'm Miriam Johnson, co-host of the TV series Home Time. Your home's wiring may be out of sight, but it shouldn't be out of mind. That's because 39% of home electrical fires involve interior house wiring, outlets, and switches. According to a study by the National Fire Prevention Association, any wiring over 40 years old should be checked periodically by a licensed electrician. Depending on your situation, your electrician might recommend rewiring. So, how do you know if your house needs to be rewired? Watch for the warning signs, like breakers tripping regularly. Circuit breakers protect your home from fire by tripping when the circuit begins to overload. If they're tripping often, that could be a sign that your wiring is breaking down and needs to be replaced. Homes built between 1965 and 1973 were built using aluminum wiring, which easily overheats and really should be replaced with copper wire. Some other signs your home may need rewiring could be dimming and flickering lights, outlets and switches that give off a burning smell, shocks from outlets or switches, or simply your home is over 40 years old. If you're unsure about the safety of your home's wiring or you have any other questions, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.